Hey guys, what's going on today? This is Nary the Tater, and today I got another package in the mail. We're gonna open this baby up. I think it's my hoodie that I ordered. I'm not sure what it is. It says t-shirt on it. I got it from the same company though. For some reason it says 26. I'm not sure why it says 26 on here. And it has a little weird dot by it. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what it is. It feels heavy enough to be a hoodie, but I'm not sure what it is. So, hopefully it's my hoodie. This is my shirt. Oh, yeah, it is. Sweet. Do I have anything else in there? Nope. It is my hoodie. So what this is, it's my Dragon Ball Z hoodie, and feels really silky though for some reason. I don't know why. It's superly weird. It's weirdly made, I can tell you that. So let me just back y'all up and I'll let y'all look at this, I guess. So as y'all can see, it's just a regular hoodie and stuff. And then this is the back side of it. Let me try this on really fast because this took a while. It's a stretchy one, I can tell you that, so it feels a bit tight. Uh-oh. Oh, I see. So it's got some holes right there and stuff. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of a hot one. I'm not sure if it's going to be like, warm enough, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. I think that's all it for this video, but if y'all want to come and check it out and stuff. Oh, and also I did get one other thing in which I forgot to share with y'all, so let me grab it really quick. It's right here. It's my mask I got in the mail. It is the, if y'all all know, the Black Panther mask from Black Panther. The legit mask. It's kind of like a silicone. And it's got like a really cool stitch inside of it for the eyes and stuff. So let me put this on really quick. It's pretty cool. I mean, I think it's hard to hear me and stuff and all that kind of junk, but you can like see the back of my head right here and stuff. So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. I'll leave a like in this video. Also, I just recently have figured out, well, I had a friend help me figure it out to see if I can get paid for all this kind of stuff. I mean, I have a job and everything, but I just like doing this for the fun of it. Even if I don't get paid for doing this kind of stuff, it's fine by me. I enjoy just doing this for the fun of it and just showing you guys what's like all out there. You all can just like, buy and everything. Thank you guys for watching this. Y'all have a nice day. See y'all later.